Hi, I'm Pat Willis, Executive Director of Voices for Georgia's Children, an advocacy organization for kids' issues. Thank you for taking a few minutes to learn more about why we do what we do and how you can be a voice for children. I'd like to ask you a few questions just to make my points. First, by what age do you think most of a child's brain, say 90%, is already developed? Is it by age 6, 12, 16, or 21? That was a trick question, because by age 5, 90% of a child's brain is already developed. That's before they start their formal schooling in kindergarten. If we invest in young children, we can prevent health problems and education problems later in their lives. Here's another question. True or false? The current generation of children has a life expectancy of 5 years longer than their parents. The answer is false. The New England Journal of Medicine tells us that the rising level of childhood obesity, if left unchecked, could shorten kids' lives by as many as 5 years. In Georgia, 37% of children ages 10 to 17 are considered overweight or obese. That's 5 percentage points higher than children in the rest of the country. We need public policies that will ensure good nutrition and active lives to ensure the health of our children. And the last question, how many of Georgia's children live in poverty? Is it 11%, 20, 22, or 31%? The correct answer is that 22% of Georgia's children live in poverty, and in some parts of the state, more than 30% of children are in poverty. The definition of poverty is that a family of 4 makes $22,000 a year or less. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, Georgia has more children in poverty than 34 other states. Poverty makes children more vulnerable to poor health and poor school outcomes. At Voices for Georgia's Children, we envision a Georgia where all children grow up safe, healthy, educated, connected to family and community, and employable. Thank you for taking the first step in becoming a child advocate, listening and learning more about the concerns and opportunities for children. For more information or more ways to get involved, visit us on the web at georgiavoices.org and like us on Facebook. Your voice can make a difference for children.